Quarantine after holidays abroad, fired. The Court of Trento opened up an inevitable debate with their ruling of January 21, 2021, dealing with a case that has been faced by many companies in this COVID-19 emergency period. A worker returning from her summer holidays abroad was unable to immediately resume work at the end of her agreed holidays, having to respect the 14-day quarantine period imposed by the emergency legislation. She was therefore fired by her employer for just cause, because despite the well-known prohibitions, restrictions and risks relating to travel, she still decided to go to Albania to spend her holidays and to return to Italy close to the expected return to work date. The Court of Trento, with the ruling in question, rejected the appeal against the dismissal, deeming it legitimate, as the conduct for which the worker was made responsible, qualified in terms of unjustified absence for the entire quarantine period, had irremediably compromised the bond of trust with the employer. The decision was essentially based on the fact that when the worker went to Albania, she was, or in any case had to be, fully aware that on her return she could not return to work immediately, having to observe a period of 14 days of fiduciary isolation. The Court of Trento specified, among other things, that such a solution would not in any case entail an unlawful limitation of the exercise of the right to take holidays, as the satisfaction of public health needs underlying the need to counteract the persistent pandemic situation has entailed for large sections of the population residing in Italy the sacrifice of numerous personal rights, in particular civil liberty, also protected by the Constitution. Therefore, the legitimate enjoyment of holidays, which are granted without problems by the employer, was not in question. However, the worker could have exercised the right to rest even without going abroad. Here, in fact, the company's interest in the regular performance of the production activity prevails over that of the worker to freely choose the place to go on vacation despite the pandemic. Tommaso Targa and Enrico Vella, lawyers.